Are you serious? Are you serious? Folks, sorry, I've had a very busy day today, but I want to get to you with a very important video here, and that is the Temple of Baal, the Temple of Baal or Baal. Actually, not the entire temple, but the archway itself is going to be reconstructed. It's going to be erected in New York City, right there in Times Square, and also in London, England. And that's coming up this month. Now, the thing to know about this is, of course, this was a temple to the idol god Baal. And, of course, the children of Israel were even captivated by this wicked, idolatrous, paganistic worship with the human sacrifices involved in it. Even King Ahab of Israel and his wife, Queen Jezebel, were tremendously involved. They had 450 prophets that prophesied on behalf of the name of Baal. And we know in Syria, there was the Temple of Baal. And its ancient ruins in Palmyra survived millenniums until just recently ISIS went in there and detonated the place and blew up the archaeological remains. Now, what's going to happen here is that there's going to be a reenactment, if you will, or a reconstruction of it, an erection of this archway right there in New York and in London. You might say, well, they're doing it because it's historical, it's important. No. It's symbolic because of the idolatry tied to this principality, this demon of the area. And what you need to know is Baal is known as involved in the power of the thunderbolt. All right. There was even a white limestone-based relief stele that was an ancient kingdom of the days in northwestern Syria. This stele was discovered in 1932. It's about 20 meters. It was 66 foot from the Temple of Baal. Go figure. 66 feet from the Temple of Baal stood this white stone, and on it was engraved in this limestone was a replica of Baal, and he was holding a thunderbolt. And I'm going to show you that. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this up, the reason why we're going to look at this closely, and I got to give Heidi, my wife, all the credit on this research. She did a tremendous job, is because Baal or Baal was the god of thunder and had power over storms and thunderbolts. Well, we've seen an unbelievable increase in thunderbolts and lightning. Matter of fact, there's reports of robust increase in severe thunderstorms and environments. Lightning strikes. There were 30 people killed in the last 10 days from excessive large thunderbolts. All right. We're also finding out that talking to Gil Brazard, talking to Mike from around the world, talking to one of the veterans of the federal government that says that because of the gravitational pull, he was for several years he was on what's called the Nibiru project of the federal government, and what they're all three saying is that the gravitational pull from Nibiru or Planet X, Planet 7X, that it's pulling is creating this uptick in earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, sinkholes opening everywhere, and there will be unbelievably increase in thunderbolts, mega thunderbolts, especially by December of this year, 2016, as the second wave of energy is coming upon the earth from some unknown source. Now, the contact I have, a man that's in part of Nibiru project for many years for the federal government, shared with me that, and he's retired and he's ill, and look, he's just going to go ahead and tell me what's going on. I will keep his name and location secret. I know his name. I know right where he lives, and I'm going to visit him. But it's time for him to get this information out. He can't wait any longer. So he's saying to me and it was confirmed independently. I got it confirmed that by December there will be an increase, major, significant thunderbolts being seen around the globe. We're already seeing them. The reports are already here. They're already happening. They are more powerful than normal. There's going to be more of them. And we're also seeing that straight line winds are increasing. And matter of fact, they just had Newfoundland, Canada, just had straight line winds blowing people's roofs off. And we're not talking tornadoes. Straight line wind tearing people's roofs off the house, knocking over trees and telephone poles and flipping cars, and it's not a tornado. Okay? And then the thunderbolts that are just unbelievable. And you'll probably see more intensity in the lightning. And as we get closer and closer to the second wave of energy, the lightning bolts. And I'm hoping no devastation, no loss of life. We've had 30 people killed, though. 30 people have died in the last 10 days. As the monsoon rains, yes, you might say, well, the monsoon rains in India and Pakistan, Paul, that happens every year. Yes, they do. And there comes lightning and storms with them. Yes, there is. But not at the severity. The severity of these thunderbolts are incredible. Now, it's amazing to me. You could say, well, it's because of Planet 7X. Okay, or you can also look at it from this perspective. Whatever's going on in the spiritual world manifests in the physical. Do you really want to do you really want to erect the archway of the Temple of Baal in New York City and in London? Do you really want to bring this principality over your city? You know, it was just last year that in New York City, they took they illuminated the face of the goddess of death from India, from Calcutta, called Kali. And they illuminated this face and put it up on the Empire State Building. For 7 days, it was illuminated, this huge face of the goddess of death over New York City. Now we're going to, New York City, we're going to bring a replica of the archway of the Temple of Baal. Don't be shocked if there isn't some major thunderbolt storms that hit either New York City or London, England this summer. Just keep an eye on all this, okay? Something biblical is going on with the signs of the second coming of Christ. Do not miss tomorrow's live broadcast. My guest, Joe Taylor. He's an archaeologist. He's been on several digs. He helped discover dinosaur bones. He's actually went to Peru. He's held the skull of elongated skulls that L.A. Marzulli went and seen. He's been in 4 of L.A. Marzulli's Watcher Series DVDs. The guy's an expert. He runs a museum there in Texas. He's been to Rockwall, where that Nephilim was found. He is an expert in the giants and the Nephilims. He will be our guest tomorrow on my live broadcast at 12 noon Eastern. Are you serious? Do not miss it. Joe Taylor will be our guest. I'll see you guys in a little while. I'm going to try my best to keep you informed with all the current world events and how they relate to Bible prophecy, because we're living in the last days. Give your life to Jesus Christ. It's getting crazy out there, and it's going to get worse.